Here's something to do before you graduate. Before you lose access to your student email, you should sign up for this special Amazon Prime, which is 6 months free of Amazon Prime. It used to be called Amazon Prime Student. Now it's called Amazon Prime for young adults. There's a link in the description where you can go to this landing page here, and you see that you get all of the regular Amazon Prime perks plus 5% cash back. You qualify if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student with a .edu address. So before you lose that address, click on the link in the description and click this button to join, because you get 6 months free of Amazon Prime as a trial. And after that, it's 50% off. You pay half the price for Amazon Prime. Now, if you didn't know, you actually get Grubhub Plus free food deliveries. You get free fast shipping through Prime Shipping. You get Prime Video, all the streaming that you want. And you get even discounts at gas stations, as well as that 5% cash back. There are a ton of benefits to Amazon Prime that you may not have known. So before you lose access to that student email, hit the link in the description and go sign up for Amazon Prime for young adults and for students, so that you can enjoy the benefits before you lose access to being able to sign up for this.